So hello everyone, welcome to the UC shop. This is Kasim. So what I have right now today are these very beautiful Mysore silk Banarsi sari. So we are trying to come up with a new video series. In this video series, we'll be trying to launch one collection every day with showing you all the available colors in that particular collection. So in that, the very first today that we are launching are these beautiful Mysore silk saris. These are traditional Mysore silk saris pattern with the same size border on both ends. I'll just show you one sari so you can just have a better look of the sari first. So this is the complete sari look. As you can see, this is your sari. So this is the royal blue color Mysore silk sari. As you can see, on both ends we have this traditional jacquard borders on both ends in the zari woven pattern. On both ends you'll be getting the same size border. And for the pallu part, this is a very heavy pallu. As you can see, in the Mysore silk pattern, we try to give small borders with a very small design. The body will be plain. To make the sari better sober, we try to give zari woven jacquard heavy pallu. So as you can see, the pallu is looking very pretty, very amazing in this beautiful zari work, the floral jar pattern design in the complete all over pallu. And also we try to give a heavy blouse as well, because the body of the sari is plain. So we try to give it give the heavy look with the blouse and the pallu as well. So this is your blouse of the sari. The blouse is also very heavy in the zari work, and the design that you can see is a very beautiful floral jar pattern design in the all over sari, in the all over blouse and the pallu of the sari. The price for this sari is rupees 1400 rupees. So this was the very first color in that. I have 5 more colors. I'll be opening all the colors for you. So the second color we have is yet another very beautiful. We call this color strawberry color. So this is the open view for this color. So this is the strawberry color in this. As you can see, the strawberry color with the golden zari work is looking very pretty, amazing. So this is the zari work on both ends. You'll be getting the same size of the border, and this is your very pretty pallu as well. As you can see, in the base of the pallu, you'll be getting the self color. Like in the base, there's peach color. As you can see, the base is in peach color with golden zari work in floral jar pattern design. And also in the blouse as well, you'll be getting the peach color shade in the background, and on the above we have this zari woven jar pattern design in the same golden zari shade. So this is the second color we have. We have 4 more colors left. So I'll be showing one more color. So this is a very pretty sea green color. This is yet another very beautiful. We launched this color especially for the summer collection. As you all know, summer is coming. So we have this summer special collection, a very beautiful sea green color. As you can see, a very light sea green with this golden zari woven border on both ends. Just to let you know about the fabric, the fabric is very soft and very comfortable to wear. The pleats of these are made very good pleats are made. You don't have to worry about the pleating. You don't have to worry about the weight. The weight is very light. It will be around 300 or 350 grams of the sari. So you don't even feel like you're wearing any weight on you. So this is a very light, soft sari, and the drapes also make very good. So in this sari as well, you'll be getting the same zari woven pallu. As you can see, the pallu is in golden zari work in the floral jar pattern. A very beautiful pallu, and this here is the blouse, yet a very pretty blouse as well. So just to let you know again, the pattern in the Mysore we have give, the body will be completely plain all over, and you'll be getting the jacquard border to make the sari very sober, very traditional, classic sari. And just to give the heavier look, we try to give heavy look in the pallu of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari, and this is your blouse. So this was the third color. This color is sea green color. The sari, the price of the sari is rupees 1400, and the shipping, as you all know, we always get free shipping. So shipping will be free pan India. So the 3 more colors that we have is the very first. This is bottle green color. This is yet another very pretty, very beautiful color. So this, as you can see, this is the bottle green color. You can take the screenshot if you want to order and message on our WhatsApp number. Our WhatsApp number is 7307193733. Just to place an order, you can just take a screenshot and WhatsApp on the WhatsApp number. So this is yet another very beautiful bottle green color. And the next up we have is this yet very beautiful, one of our best selling colors, a maroon shade. This is not very dark maroon, this is lighter maroon, but it looks very pretty with the zari work. As you can see, on both ends you'll be getting the same size border. So this is the one side and this is the other side. You'll be getting the same border as well. And the last color we have is this very pretty light lavender. On the request of lots of you, were asking for lavender colors in lot of designs. So we try to come up with lavender in this. So this is a very light lavender shade, yet another very pretty color. So this you'll be getting in the lavender shade. So I'd like to request you also, please do like our videos, do share with your friends and family as well, and also try to comment on our video so we can know what should we do better to bring you more and more collections. So just to remind you again, to place an order, all you have to do is take a screenshot and WhatsApp on our WhatsApp number, and your order will be placed. So thank you all. We'll be back soon.